Best portable folding with picks for comfort and convenience. Choosing the right portable massage table can make a big difference in your practice. These tables are lightweight, easy to transport, and simple to set up. Perfect for those who travel or have limited space. Different features cater to various needs, like adjustable height or plush padding. List number 1. GBNLDF Beauty Bed, Portable Massage Table. Experience ultimate comfort with the GBNLDF Beauty Bed. Designed for portability, this lightweight massage table is perfect for any beauty salon or spa. The waterproof PU upholstery ensures easy cleaning and durability. Adjust the height to suit your needs, and feel secure with its 136 kilograms weight capacity. The elegant white finish adds a touch of sophistication to any setting. Advantages. Ease of transport makes it perfect for mobile professionals. Lightweight design ensures effortless setup and storage. Durable waterproof PU upholstery withstands spills and stains. Keeps the bed looking fresh and clean. Height adjustable feature caters to diverse client needs. Comfort and accessibility for everyone. List number 2. The comfort of the U5GBNLDF Portable Massage Table. This foldable facial spa bed offers a relaxing experience. Adjustable height ensures suitability for various treatments and therapies. Comes with a pillow for added comfort. Easy to transport, thanks to the convenient carry case. Ideal for physiotherapy and stretching sessions. Advantages. Effortless transportability enhances convenience. The portable massage table folds easily for travel. Height adjustability offers personalized comfort. Adapt the table to different body sizes. Versatile use makes it a great choice. Perfect for spa treatments, physiotherapy, and more. Sturdy construction ensures durability. Built to withstand regular use and maintain stability. U5GBNLDF Portable Massage Table Foldable. List number 3. Massage Table, Beauty Bed, Professional. Discover the comfort of the FNAC Massage Table. Perfect for beauty salons and therapy sessions. This versatile table is designed for professionals, offering adjustable height for convenience. Its 3-section design ensures flexibility and ease of use. The folding feature makes storage and transport simple. Ideal for massages, lash extensions, and physiotherapy. Advantages. Versatile design suits multiple uses like massage and beauty treatments. Adjustable height offers customized comfort for every client. 3-section setup provides excellent flexibility and support. Folding feature ensures easy storage and transport. Durable build guarantees long-lasting use in professional settings. List number 4. U5GBNLDF Folding Massage Bed Portable Massage. Discover the comfort of the U5GBNLDF Folding Massage Bed. Portable and easy to set up anywhere. Its height adjusts effortlessly for your convenience. Constructed with lightweight aluminum, making it easy to carry. Perfect for therapists on the go. Comes with a handy carry case for easy transport. Ideal for home or professional use. Advantages. Easy to transport with its lightweight, foldable design. Height adjustable for personalized comfort during massages. Durable aluminum frame ensures long-lasting use. Quick setup with the included carry case. Ideal for salon, spa, or home use. List number 5. U5GBNLDF Height Adjustable Massage Table Portable. Experience ultimate comfort with the U5GBNLDF Height Adjustable Massage Table. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for any treatment session. The folding design with a carrying case ensures easy transport. Featuring a face cradle, it offers superior client support. Ideal for spas, salons, and tattoo parlors. Advantages. Experience unmatched comfort with adjustable table height. Choose the perfect height for any treatment. Enjoy a personalized massage or facial session without strain. Effortless portability with lightweight design. Carry the table anywhere with ease. Perfect for therapists on the go. Ideal for mobile salon services and home visits. Versatile use in various settings. Suitable for spas, salons, and tattoo studios. Tailor your space to meet client needs. Enhance treatment options effortlessly.